Pennsylvania. Major Heister joined the Air Force in 2015 after graduating from Penn State University. The F-16 you'll see in today's demonstration is equipped with an engine producing more thrust than the airplane weighs. Watch now as Major Heister achieves flight in less than 1,000 feet of runway while accelerating to 400 miles per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, stand up and put your hands together for Major Heister in the F-16 Fighting Falcon.
Major Heister is now setting up for his first aerobatic maneuver, the half Cuban.
Major Heister will now demonstrate the low-altitude, high-speed capability of the F-16. As he passes show center, he'll be in full afterburner just under the speed of sound at 700 miles per hour.
As he returns to show center, Major Heister will accelerate rapidly and snap the F-16 through a series of aileron rolls, demonstrating its exceptional roll maneuverability. Dropping in from the left, FEMA and the triple roll.
In a dogfight, the ability to turn tide is not just a capability of the airplane, but of the fighter pilot as well. To demonstrate its ability to outturn any adversary, FEMA will fly a minimum radius turn while being pressed into the seat at 9 times the force of gravity. Major Heister will now demonstrate the F-16's crisp handling characteristics as he performs a 4-point roll at show center, pausing briefly at each 90-degree increment. In from the left, the F-16 and the 4-point roll.
And now, one more time from your right, FEMA's inbound for another high-speed pass. Every second, he'll be covering the distance of 950 feet. This is still less than half the Viper's top speed of Mach 2. As he approaches show left, Major Heister is repositioning for a maneuver which will demonstrate the F-16's ability to turn tight and stay unpredictable, a trait which helps the Viper survive against low altitude threats. He will then quickly transition from the horizontal fly into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, it's the Falcon turn. Major Heister is now slowing the F-16 to prepare for a slow-speed, high-alpha pass. While the Viper can fly at more than twice the speed of sound, slow-speed control is just as crucial when maneuvering in a dogfight. This will be your best opportunity to look closely at the aircraft and its flight controls. FEMA will be holding the Viper at a 23 degrees nose-up position and moving at only 190 kilometers per hour.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to want to get your cameras ready as Major Heister prepares to demonstrate the combination of thrust and digital flight control systems that makes the knife edge maneuver possible. From your right, the F-16 and the knife edge pass.
Now, watch as FEMA sets up for a maximum performance climb with a series of aileron rolls. As he pulls back on the stick, you will see the Viper's exceptional power and rolling ability as he sends it from 91 meters to over 5 kilometers in less than 20 seconds. FEMA is now approaching for the last maneuver, a tactical pitch up to landing. He will cross the runway at 500 feet and perform a rolling pitch up as he turns to the downwind leg of the landing pattern. Major Heister has now lowered the landing gear. As he approaches the runway, he will decelerate to 240 kilometers per hour, enabling the F-16 to stop in less than 900 meters of runway if necessary. Add its ability to take off from relatively short runways, and you have a fighter that can operate from thousands of airfields in virtually every country in the world. While today's demonstration shows you how well the F-16 can maneuver in combat, what we cannot show is its striking power or the accuracy and lethality of the weapons it carries. The Viper can hit targets well outside of visual range while flying faster than the speed of sound. Coupled with the innovative, motivated, and versatile airmen, the United States Air Force F-16 Fighting Falcon is applying new technologies and capabilities never before employed on a fighter.
On behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Adrian Spain, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, thank you for your attendance and support.
بعدما شاهدنا قبل